What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to the Hardcore Fab Shop. On today's video, I'm going to be finishing up the body armor on the Jeep and get it to where it's a complete Jeep again and able to run and drive up and down the road. If you guys watched the last video, I've already got a sneak peek of what the fenders are going to look like on this thing, but today I'm going to actually show you me putting them on and some of the hacking and whacking that I had to do to be able to get them on there, and I'm going to finish up the rest of the body armor on the back corners and the rock sliders. Then I'm going to get this thing out of the shop and we're going to go have cruise it around and make sure everything works like it's supposed to, and it's a Jeep, so we've got to lock it in four-wheel drive, right? So that's the plan for today. Let's just jump right into it. Alright, that finishes up the installation on the tube fenders. It wasn't too bad of a job. We just had to trim the old ones out and put in some bolts here where it didn't have any before, and then we used the other stock locations to be able to bolt the rest of it on. So overall, pretty easy deal, but that fender being all mangled from the previous wreck that it was in or whatever did kind of make that one a little bit harder than it should have been, but it's on there now, so we're ready to go to the back. That's the last bolt that I can do on this. I was actually short a couple of them that were long enough to go all the way through and be able to get these bottom two in, so I'll have to get those another day and get those in. I think now we're ready to go ahead and move on to the rock slider. Enough with the boring crap. I've got the top on there, I've got the body armor all on there, went ahead and put that new intake on, and you can see there's a new radiator in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, doesn't matter, there's one in there. But there's one more thing left before we go actually take this thing out of the shop and do some wheeling with it that I don't like, and that's that ugly front bumper down there. Now I think I can fix it pretty quick with this bad boy, so I'm gonna knock that out real fast, and then we're gonna go hit some dirt and see what this thing will do. That's better already. That makes this front bumper match the rest of the Jeep a lot better than having those big goofy plastic ends hanging out there on the end of it. I'll cap these off later. They'll be looking a lot better than they do now, but I think I'm ready to get this thing out of the shop for a little bit and go have some fun. about as good as we get for doing any wheeling. Hope you guys enjoyed the Jeep video, and if you did, please like the video and comment in the video down below if you want to see some more stuff like this. Well, that's about all